You can't go wrong with a classic sloppy joe. Today, we're making one simple base recipe and transforming it into 4 tasty variations to keep your dinner exciting all week long. Hi, I'm Chef Dagan here in the Beef with Sweats Panera Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. Let's get started. We're gonna start off first with our ground beef. We're gonna break this up into small little chunks. Big fan of sloppy joes, very nostalgic. We're just gonna season up our ground beef as it's cooking. A little salt and a little pepper. This is a very lean ground beef. You can use whichever one you would like, but we're just gonna break this up into little crumbles like everybody knows how to do. As we're cooking this, I'm gonna go ahead and add some onions. Get those sweetened up a little bit, caramelized up a little bit. You know, sloppy joe started off as a loose meat sandwich, which is a Midwestern classic originating in Iowa. Basically, a sloppy joe without the tomato sauce. Okay, our onions are nice and translucent. They're getting caramelized and sweetening up. I'm gonna go ahead and add some bell peppers. I got some green, red, yellow, orange. I'm gonna stir those in. I got some brown sugar to sweeten this up. And then we're gonna add some Worcestershire. Goes great with beef. And then I have some tomato sauce here. Okay, we're just gonna let all those flavors meld up. And we're gonna cook it for probably 5 to 8 minutes so it thickens up for us. Okay, our sloppy joe mixture is cooked. We got that tomato sauce kind of caramelized a little bit, add some richness into this. While we're cooking this, non-negotiable, I got some buttered toasted buns here ready to go. That's just something I have to have. I like a nice toasted bun. So let's go ahead and plate up. And we got some toppings over here for it. So we got some coleslaw, some pickles, some cheese, cheddar, American, pepper jack, whatever you want to do. And in my house, I make my kids serve themselves, but we're gonna be nice today. Everybody's hungry in the office, so when they hear we're making sloppy joes, everybody's coming to eat. All right, so I got some American cheese here. Topping these guys. Got some nice dill pickles. You can go sweet pickles, little pickled onions. Okay, and then I made a little bit of slaw. You know, sloppy joes are simple. You can elevate them with just some simple ingredients that everybody's familiar with. There we go. Okay, we got our basic sloppy joe recipe done. Really simple, really delicious, great flavors. We're gonna go ahead and show you a few variations, keep these interesting, and let's check them out. This is our first variation, really fun one. Southwest sloppy joe taco. We got taco shells here. Basic same recipe, cook our beef, add our onions, add some bell peppers. Instead of the sauce, we add a little bit of salsa in there. Then I found some frozen corn that had like a Southwest flavor to it. So it has black beans, some peppers, some onions in there. Mixed it all together, cooked it down, and then plated up. Instead of a bun, we use these great taco shells. And then our accompaniments are all stuff we found in our pantry, okay? We have some shredded cheese. I made like a chili lime crema. We had some pickled jalapenos, tomatoes. Use whatever you got in your pantry or your fridge. This is our Hawaiian version. Our base recipe, instead of using brown sugar, we use crushed pineapple, get that sweetness in there. Instead of just a basic tomato sauce, we added some barbecue sauce in there. We also grilled a little pineapple along with toasted ube rolls. This one's gonna be delicious. It's gonna have that sweetness, that sourness, the richness of the beef, little acidity with the pickle. This one's delish. We got our Moroccan version ready. Base recipe, we added in some pumpkin spice, which has cinnamon, clove, allspice, little nutmeg. We substituted raisins for that sweetness for the brown sugar. Finished it with a little bit of yogurt, just to add a little bit of richness into the sauce. And then we topped it all on a pita bread I had some radish, I had some cucumber, some tomato, little crushed up pistachio. This is gonna be a delicious one. Next up, banh mi inspired sloppy joe. Okay, our base recipe again, we added some fresh ginger, we added some hoisin for that sweetness, we let it stew out. We had our sloppy joe mix, we put it on a toasted French roll, stuffed it with carrots, cucumber, radish, little cilantro, little chopped green onion, whatever you have. Really simple one, really delicious. Hope you enjoyed it. There you have it, one skillet, endless combinations, any flavor profile you can think of. Hopefully you got some inspiration from us. Great way to use ground beef, introduce new flavors, new techniques. Give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more beefy recipes, go to beefwithschwarzenegger.com, and we'll see you at the next one.